In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Shopify Metafields for beginners in 2024. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up and using Metafields to enhance your Shopify store. So if you're new to this or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser, type in your Shopify store address, and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be at the home of your store's administration area. This is where you manage everything from products to orders, and in today's case, Metafields. Next, look for the Settings option on the lower left side of your screen. It's the crucial gateway to all the configurations you might need for your store. Clicking on Settings will bring up a menu with various administrative options. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Metafields and Meta Objects. Go ahead and click on it. Metafields are a powerful Shopify feature that lets you add additional information to your store's products, collections, customers, orders, and more. This is where you start tailoring your Shopify store to meet specific needs beyond the default options. Now, you'll see the Metafield Definitions section. This is the backbone of customizing your data fields. Click on Metafield Definitions. Here, you have the control to decide what extra data your products or collections should have. This part of Shopify is fantastic if you want to add specific properties to your products, like a new type of measurement or a unique product feature. Finally, dive into defining your first meta object by selecting Define your first meta object. This is where the magic happens. Meta objects allow you to create customized fields specific to your store's needs. For example, if you want to add custom warranty information to your products or create a unique tag for a seasonal collection, this is your go-to. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the basics of using Metafields in Shopify. Remember, the way you customize your Metafields can really set your store apart by offering more detailed and tailored information to your customers. Play around, experiment with different uses, and see how this feature can benefit your business strategy. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into maximizing your Shopify store's potential. Happy selling!